Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and at the post editor, good. First, pick the post or page where you want a direct link and place the cursor at the target text or anchor point. Once positioned, highlight the text you'll convert into a link. This is what users will tap. Make sure your permalink or target URL is ready in a new browser tab. You're now set to insert a link rather than just pasting text. That ensures clickable navigation for readers. Now insert the link. Click the chain/link icon or use Ctrl+K and paste the exact URL. You'll see options, set open in new window or tab if you want readers to stay on your blog. This preserves session flow. Add a descriptive title attribute so screen readers and SEO understand the target, and include rel equals noopener for external links to prevent performance or security issues. Once done, preview the post to confirm the anchor looks right and points where you intended. Finish by previewing and publishing. You need to test the link on both desktop and mobile to be sure it opens correctly and respects your new tab settings. If the link fails, first reopen the editor and check for typos, missing HTTPS, // or accidental spaces before or after the URL, edit and save. If that still fails, switch to HTML view to inspect for stray tags or broken anchor markup and remove them. This usually resolves hidden formatting issues and restores clickable behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.